Hi, my name is Peter and welcome to my science lab. Today I am going to do fireworks in a glass. So I just need these things. So I filled this with water. Now
Give it to me, please.
I will in a minute.
carefully.
Can you go to me?
And then 2 tablespoons of oil. Oh, I think I need that. Okay. So then add the food coloring.
I want to see all the pictures.
2 drops, Pitty. 1 drop of each color.
I think I did 3 drops. 1. No.
Okay,
Oh,
pictures of flamingos.
no. We need another tablespoon of it
Okay,
because I spilled the
flamingos.
butter. Let's see.
There.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I forgot to stir. Sorry. I think I